In this review video, we're going to talk about solving exponential equations. And in this video, we're going to talk about solving equations using the one-to-one property. What does that mean? It means if I have these two exponentials that are equal, the only way that's possible, it turns out, is if those exponents are equal. So we kind of ignore the bases and just set the exponents equal. And this turns an exponential equation into a simpler equation. So we had 3 to the x equals 3 to the 7. It looks pretty complicated because we have this x and the exponent, but these are both base 3. I kind of just ignore them, and the exponent's x equals 7. And now x is by itself, so I'm done. All right, 2 to the 2x minus 7 equals 2 to the 3x plus 6. You can see they're both the same base. They're both 2. So I just ignore them, and I set those exponents equal to each other. And now I have this linear equation. I don't have exponential anymore, so how do I solve a linear equation? I group up the x's on one side, so I can move this 2x by subtracting. I get the numbers on the other side, so now I can subtract 6. And now I'm done because that x is all by itself on one side. So the final answer here is x is negative 13. All right, one more time. All right, we have these exponentials, but they both are base 5. So we can just ignore the bases and just set those exponents equal to each other. We see now we have a linear equation, so we're going to group up the x's. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And I need to get rid of this 9 now, so I'm going to add 9 to both sides. And then I can get rid of this 2 next to the x, so to get rid of this multiplied by 2, I divide by 2, and I get 7 over 2 as my final answer. Again, I know I'm done because the x is all by itself on one side of the equal sign. All right, so that's how we're going to solve exponential equations. Make sure we have the same base, then kind of just eliminate them and solve the resulting equation.